So if you had to, so I feel like it's like a puzzle, right? You're trying to fit the pieces, so in the end you're gonna have the full picture, which is a drug into the patient. And you talked a little bit about the ecosystem of startups here in Michigan. So what are some of the key aspects of this ecosystem that you would like to highlight as very important for, I mean, everything is sort of important, right? But what would you feel like it's something that is very important and that people should really, I mean, I'm trying to bring this sort of knowledge back to Brazil so that people can kind of apply that. So what structures or what pieces of this puzzle do you think are the most important for this technology development?
Well, there's two major things startups, especially in this state, have trouble with, and that's money and talent. So funding is a big problem. We don't have a ton of venture capitalists in the state, and honestly, they're not going to put any funding in anyone until your technology's at a, de-risked to a certain amount. So the state actually has a lot of funding opportunities to support small businesses in those early stages that can't get outside money. So there's different fundings on the university side to try to get you a little bit further so you're ready for a small business. And then there's a bunch of different pools of money as well that the state provides to help you get someone to help you write a business plan, help someone help you write a small business grant. So that's what BBC does, another company that I work for now. There's the Invest Detroit, First Fund, Detroit kind of seed funding opportunities that they'll give to companies that are small pools of money, but they're enough to get you to the next milestone, to try to get you to a point where you can get a small business grant with the government that's bigger money, or to get you to a point where a venture capitalist is going to be interested and say, this is a good product and we want to be a part of it. So state funding is a big part of it. And being introduced to all those people in that network, they all know each other and they all talk to each other. So that helps with getting the talent.
Okay.
So when a small company comes along and they really need a scientist, and they might only need a scientist for 6 months, it's hard to find someone willing to do that. But hey, we know about this person working at this university who's about to graduate and they need a job and they want startup experience. They're keyed into that network. They're keyed into, who are the people we have in the state who have experience in this kind of technology or have successfully brought small businesses to a successful exit, who can come in and advise the company or run the company, be a PI on a grant for the company. So they know the network basically, so they can help you get that talent. So getting money, getting talent.
These are two very important things. And